Hi guys, you're welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment, the number one channel for celebrity gist happening around. For first time viewers, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notification when a story drops. On today's news, Speed Darlington declares love for bbnaija Tacha, begs her to be his baby mama. Controversial rapper Speed Darlington took to social media to reveal that he wants to make reality TV star Tacha his baby mama. Speedy proposed to make the former Big Brother housemate his baby mama, as he expressed sadness that they haven't linked up since he arrived in Nigeria. The rapper said he would love to have taken her shopping for clothes, and he went on to list out the prices of each of the jewelries he had on. I hope this guy knows what he's doing. Speed Darlington. Okay. Let's watch to see how this unfolds. I know very soon Tasha will respond to this, and I'm sure she would rain insult on this guy. At least we all know Tasha now. You know she got no chills. Alright guys, what do you think about this proposal? Do you think it could work out, or do you think something could work out between Speed Darlington and Tasha? For me, I don't think anything can work out between both of them, because Speed Darlington, who the hell is Speed Darlington? Tasha is looking for serious connect, not from this kind of man. So let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Until next time guys, stay blessed.